In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw this risk reward ratio tools. So basically, if you are using this tool, make sure that your risk to reward ratio must be good. Means that your winning compared to your losing is in a higher opportunity percentage that you can make a win. For example, for this risk reward, if you set the risk reward, so basically if it is higher than 1 point something, more than 1, so basically it will be considered as a good trade, as your reward compared to your risk is higher. So means that, for example, you are making 2000, but if you set your cut loss in 1000, you are making a higher percentage of winning point. But make sure that you are setting your risk reward at resistance and also support, so that you can have a better reference. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to this tool, and as you can see, you can set for long position or short position. Short position means that you are shorting the graph. For example, if the graph is going downwards and you are opening a short position, so that the win will be calculated if the graph is going downwards, because you are shorting the graph, shorting the stock. So basically, you can draw these tools by pressing this at the menu bar, and you also can apply for long position as this. You can apply long position risk reward ratio projection using this tool. And if you want to apply for just only one side, you can apply for this price range. Basically, this only show one side momentum, up or even downwards, so that you can calculate, for example, you can calculate the percentage or even the stock price. And you also can set downwards. You also can define the downwards percentage, a loss percentage. And also you can use this tool similar, the same compared to this ruler tool. As you can see, you can draw, and it will have more information compared to this tool. So basically, you can use this measure tool to draw your projection either upwards or even downwards. And yeah, basically that's all how you draw this projection for risk reward ratio, and also for one side up or down. Thank you.